What is up, boys, and welcome back to another video. Oscar Health just hit a new 52-week high and is up over 9% in after hours following some news that ACA could be getting extended very, very soon. Now, I do want to make a quick video going over all of the stuff with Oscar Health today because the stock is up 33% in the past month, but this could just be the breakout that we are looking for. Now, taking a look here, you guys can see Oscar Health and after hours is sitting at $24.41, and they were up to $25.60. Now, going back to the daily time frame, you guys can see we are still in this overall cup and handle formation. And as I switch over to the weekly where we start talking about some possible targets, I do want to show you guys first that we have this very, very, very nice cup and handle that we are currently working to break out of. Now, if you do see here, we are actually above this breakout. So this is where price is in after hours. So as long as we can hold above 23.75, or more importantly, really just this 22.31 level, then we are definitely looking to get off to the races. Now, I do want to talk a little bit about what this means for this stock. Now, they are going to be adding around $2 to $4 billion in revenue with this ACA extension if they do get it. That means that by Q1 of 2026, they are going to be profitable. And that also means the whole second business that they just built in case ACA didn't get extended is now going to be put on top of ACA. So what that means is now Oscar basically has two companies working side by side for the same goal. And so this stock is twice as strong as it was when we first started talking about it. Now, this is very, very good for the stock. Obviously, that is very, very clear. But once we do break this $23.75 level, retest it, and move on, that is when we are going to see these profits come in. Now, when this happens, is what we are looking for. We want to see that retest and we want to see it start to move higher. And then for us to see that, that would indicate to us that we are heading much, much higher. And I cannot wait to see that because at our first target at $31.21, that is about a 106% increase from prices today. Now, up to our second target at $43.28, that is up 190% from our entry down at $14.97. Now, I am going to show you guys some of our profits on Oscar Health at the end of this video because we do own 1,000 shares. But please drop a like and please subscribe real quick. It really does help out the channel. And I am pumping this video out about 10 minutes after Oscar just got that announcement. Now, as you guys can see, we do have one more target, and that target is going to come by the end of 2027, in my opinion, up to around $55.35. Now, I do want to be very, very clear with something right here, guys. This stock can go absolutely crazy. It has been consolidating for quite some time now. We have seen insiders buy in, we have seen their CEO buy back in, and we have seen Donald Trump actually take peace with the ACA subsidies with Kushner, which is their chairman and CEO. So we can see that they are definitely getting a lot of bullish news coming in, a lot of good catalysts, and people, including myself and our premium members, were absolutely loading in this zone, which is exactly what it is for. Buying right here is going to lead to a bunch of profits once we get up to these levels. Now, talking about all-time highs here, once we do break through all-time highs, that is when I expect this company to be fully profitable, meaning every single quarter we are reporting a profitable quarter. Now, that is expected to happen by the end of 2026, going into 2027. So this is going to be the end of the year price target for 2026. Although, guys, I seriously think that there is no way we don't hit 45 by the end of next year. I think we could seriously hit all-time highs by the end of this year. That sounds crazy to say, but it is very, very possible, especially with this extension. That would only be another 52% from prices today, so it's not crazy at all. I definitely think that 27 to 31 is definitely going to happen. So I am very excited to see what this actually comes, what comes of this. But I do want to show you guys on HIMS here on the monthly time frame, what happens once you get that cup and handle breakout. So you guys can see pretty clearly here that we do have a cup and handle, much like Oscar, and Oscar's is actually much, much better. But taking a look, you can clearly see this cup and handle right here. It doesn't have, that second cup like Oscar has, but you guys can see the extension that this gets. It has all of this consolidation and then all of a sudden begins to break out once it gets a decent catalyst. Now, Oscar's just gotten that catalyst, so we could definitely see this breakout come over the next, 2 years. Now, that breakout for HIMS was about 2,000%. So we could even see something even crazier than these targets for Oscar Health. I think that this could seriously be a $100 stock in the future, and I seriously think this could be a big disruptor within, healthcare and insurance as a whole. Now, I do want to show you guys a little bit about my position and my holding here. Let's actually go to my other portfolio here. Now, taking a look, guys, we are killing it. We are killing it. If we get 50 likes on this video, I'll have a portfolio update out for you guys because we are quickly approaching 100K. But taking a look here at Oscar Health, it is up 10.95% today. And you guys can see we are up over $6,000 in total now. We have 750 shares in the individual account at an average price of around $15.63. And like I said, we're up around $6,300 for about a 53% gain. Most of this coming in the past 2 weeks alone. Now, we also do own a good bit in the retirement. Also keep the retirement because it's killing as well, up over 20K now. Now, taking a look at Oscar Health in the Roth IRA, we still have another 250 shares at an average price of $16.13. We are up around $2,000 on this position as well for about a 50% gain. Now, boys, that is absolutely insane. I cannot wait to see Oscar Health continue to rip faces. You guys know we are talking about it every single day over in our premium Discord. So make sure you guys do check that out. It's going to be linked in bio. Also, make sure you guys check out my Twitter. I've been posting a lot of updates over on Oscar Health and other popular stocks within the market. It's just going to be the Bullish Buzz over on Twitter. It's also linked in my description down below. So make sure you guys do check that out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bullish Oscar.